Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ariful Islam. Today I want to talk about Friday and weekends plans. Friday is a special day for Muslim. It is the holiday of the week. On Friday we go to mosque and pay Jummah prayers. We wear clean clothes and pray together. Many people read the Quran and do good deeds. It is also day rest and peace. Thank you for my watching video. See you in the next video.